Hi, welcome to today's laughter exercise. Today we are going to do yawning laughter. Both yawning and laughter are contagious, so this works really well, especially if you've got a laughter buddy and you're doing this with somebody else. So look that person in the eye or look me in the eye, and we're going to do some yawning and then laughter. Join me. Well done. Hope you enjoyed that. If you haven't been wanting to yawn, then you've done really well, because both are contagious. Thank you very much for joining me today. Let's do some very goods. Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! And breathe it up. And let's go round the outside with some ha's, gentle ha's. Ha 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 ha. And breathe it up again. And ha's. Ha 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 ha. Have a great day. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.